According to data from WHO, there is an increase in genetic diseases at a young age and an increase in deaths due to heart disease. More than 17 million people die from heart disease. In Japan, we believe that the deterioration of bodily health is caused by two main reasons. One, narrowing of the blood vessels. Poor diets such as fast food, high-fat foods, and lack of exercise cause fat to accumulate on the walls of blood vessels, which can lead to the risk of blockages, strokes, and chronic heart disease. Two, the body's inability to neutralize toxins in the liver. This causes toxins and dangerous substances to spread again in the body through the blood, causing other organs to become sick and increasing the ability of cancer cells to grow rapidly in the body. Focusing on finding answers to this problem, the experts at AFC were inspired by the mysterious healing power of salmonate, which is a secret hundreds of centuries old from Japan, which has the potential to rejuvenate the body's organs from within. More than 100 years ago in ancient Japan, during the Meiji era, fisherman Ryoshi was ordered by the emperor to collect Incortus keta salmon fish that were in Japan's most dangerous ocean. This Incortus keta salmon fish was only consumed by the empress and emperor. They do not consume it as a food, but rather as medicine. Because the Incortus captus salmon fish is known to have mysterious healing abilities for beauty and longevity. The extreme sunlight and high saltwater levels created wounds and swelling on fisherman Ryoshi. Out of curiosity, they tried caviar from Incortus captus salmon fish on their inflammation. To their surprise, the wounds and inflammation healed quickly and left no scars at all. Although ikura from the Incortus keta salmon are very rare and have become very valuable, Ryoshi people will not sell it even at a high price. After the decline of the Meiji era, ikura keta salmon became very popular among the Japanese upper class, who wanted to have a long life and youth. Scientists at AFC Japan introduced the Subarashi SOP with nanoparticles that can be absorbed by the body optimally, and have received 4 patents from Japan for cell regeneration effect, helps increase cellular steam in the body, which can repair damaged body cells, effect on improvement of blood circulation, effect in improving blood vessel circulation, anti-hypertensive agent, effect as antihypertensive, prevent blood clotting effect, with the addition of fruit flow and sardine peptide to prevent blood clotting. With glutathione, it helps clean the liver. 100% safe, halal, GMP, and radiation-free certificate. SOP Subarashi reverse aging process from inside out in 8 weeks.